start our symposium for the Waseda University top global university project, so 10th anniversary symposiums. Thank you for the coming and joining the symposium today. So actually, I'm very happy to have this year with a very important important partner, the researcher from the world. My name is Tetsuya Ogata, and I was the leader of this top global university ICT robotics unit. Actually, this unit started just 10 years ago, and we include many important members of Waseda with gathering together to the related robotics and information technology ICT. So actually, we gathered a very strong member for the Waseda and continue the collaboration with many researchers. So first reason I'd like to introduce some outcomes to our units, and then following that, firstly I'd like to talk about my current work that related to this unit, with including the collaboration with researchers from all over the world. So Waseda University has the longest history of the developing human robots. It started 50 years ago. Its name is Waseda Robot. So at that time, 50 years ago, developing the human-like robot. So thinking that not just for make the machine for the useful one, to develop or replicating human-like systems for understanding humans. Many professors, including our activity-related robots, and we have already developed almost 300 robots, original hardware in Waseda. Today, as a symposium, in lunchtime, we will show the demonstration of this latest version of our human robot named Bldg. And from this slide, I would like to introduce shortly about the activities of this 10 years output in our unit project. So actually, over 80 faculty members, researchers from the world, renowned university and the institute have been invited. So today we have many important partners. Come from the University of Munich or University of Edinburgh or Cheng. Also, at the same time, we also sent more than 60 graduate students to place overseas all over the world. And actually there is not so long time activity, maybe 3 months, 4 months, but such a even limited period. They worked very well, and then some of them already published their activities during their internships. And also we organizing many seminars and events. So one of them included a lecture by the Japanese who is founder. He was CEO of Twitter, now it's called X. And international symposium held in the Soviet COVID, and or sometimes called research from the Meta or such kind of companies. Also, we joined some other activities related to such an international collaboration. For example, called Mirai. Mirai is the Japan-Sweden Joint Research Promotions. Then also have a seminar or some journal science or something like this. Today we have invited speaker from our sub-leader of our unit, Professor Hironori Washizaki. He was elected as president of the IEEE Computer Societies. Today, we have invited six invited speakers, including me. Here, I hope to have you find such a collaboration activity with many organizations such all over the world. So I worked on the neural networks over 30 years. So now everyone calls it deep learning, but I think it's almost same. But actually size is quite different. Actually, deep learning shows good performances to the application that used to be the target of the AI research field, like so image processing or generation and sound, and also recognition and generation. And so as you know, so now the large language model like ChatGPT shows great performance for the handling natural language.
この10年の間に、もう80人以上の海外からもう有名な海外の研究者教授たちをこう呼ぶことができまして、しかも逆にこちらからも60名何十名を超えるようなマスターの学生さんを送ることができたと、これはもうこういうコネクションここでコネクションができたということは非常に大きいですし、単純に交換をしたというだけではなくて、具体的な研究成果としても上がっていますので、非常に大きいアクティビティだったというふうに思っています。
So today I thought I would just give you a slight view on what I've been focusing or paying more attention to in recent days. It's what I combined the title of today's symposium with the focus that we are actually heading into a lot more, and which I call human-centeredness. That putting the human back in the center rather than putting the machine in the center. Okay? There's a lot of time that when we build machines, and I'm one that perfectly guilty of, I love building machines, I love it, but we forget the human. Why are you building a machine, and how does it get infused with the human, and how does it benefit?
It's always exciting to collaborate with Waseda. Many great students, and we've been having very fruitful exchanges between the student and also and the faculty. And we're looking forward to the next 10 years, having more collaboration and having more students in Munich working with us. And my team, I'm very excited to actually have many of the students and faculty in Munich.
Hello everyone, I'm Shinjiro Washizaki, and as Ogata mentioned that I'm serving as a survey leader of this SGU AI and also robotics entity. And so today I'd like to talk about SWIVOG evolution and also machine learning soft engine. So so SWIVOG stands for soft engine value knowledge. Okay, so I'm leading in its evolution. So and because I'm basically doing research in the area of soft engine. Well, of course with some connection to some other related areas such as machine learning. So that's why my talk is about SWIVOG evolution and machine learning with soft engine.
やはり国内外のやはりトップのですね、そのロボットやその関連領域、AI や私のような例えばソフトウェア工学など含めてですね、トップのですね研究者や教育者が集う。でその中でですね、やはり最前線最先端のですね、研究そして、教育がなされ、その構成が上がってきているということ、これは非常に大変大きなことだと思います。そして教育というところで言えばですね、そのやはり学生を含むですね、その若手のやはりその研究者あるいはその時代を担うですね、人々がこう自信を持ってですね、成長してここから羽ばたいてさまざまなところで活躍し始めていると、これはやはりこの SGU のですね拠点の非常に大きな成果だろうというふうに思います。
Always a great pleasure to come back to Japan and to Waseda. The idea today is to try and give you a bit of a run through of the work that goes on in our lab and literally try to focus on the use of machine learning in the control and planning of complex robotic systems.
First of all, it's a great pleasure to come back to visit Waseda for this final SGU Symposium. I've had a really good time collaborating with many professors, especially Ogata Sensei and Sugano Sensei on this SGU project. We had some very good interactions. We've had 2 students come and visit us during this period in Edinburgh. And one of the researchers, a postdoc from Waseda, is now a permanent staff and postdoc in my group. So it's been extremely fruitful for many reasons. And of course, I love Japan, so I take every opportunity to come back to visit Japan. Although this is the final SGU Symposium, I've heard that there is a possibility that this program will continue in a slightly different format. So I look forward to continuing to collaborate with Waseda University and develop a much more deeper network so that it's not just the collaboration with Waseda people, but the wider community that SGU has cultivated, including companies, foreign researchers, and it's an extremely important opportunity for us to continue this collaboration. So I continue to look forward to this, and I look forward to my next visit. Thank you.
And thank you for giving me a chance for me to give a talk here. And my title is a Bioengineering Study for Super Alien Society. And so I focus on the biomedical cares in super alien society. And so for this field, we can split it into 2 parts, after disease onset and before disease onset. But I'm basically the 3D printing researcher. So that I especially focus on the drug discovery and healthcare device and AI for prediction of finding symptoms.
まず達成できたことといたしましては、新しい画期的な 3D プリンターをですね、作ることができたということになります。でその背景といたしましては、私は 3D プリンターの研究者になりますけれども、コラボレーターで佐藤先生はメッキの、その専門家であったり。これは2人のですね共同によって新しくエレクトロニクスをそのダイレクトに作れるようなそういった新しい技術の 3D プリンターを確立できたと。したがってこれは自分一人で頑張っていってもどうしても到達できないことで、そこに対して SDU がですねそういった教員を呼ぶ、そういった教員のところでその学生が勉強する機会を設けてくれると。でそういうようなことがあってそういった研究がうまく進んだと。したがって SDU がなければこの 3D プリンターは世に出ることはなかったですし、 SDU があったからこそ我々のそういった技術というのは世に出すことができたということがまず一つ目にあります。そして今後の課題、今後の流れということになりますけれども、3D プリンターできましたと。で 3D プリンターできたら次にもう我々も何に使うか決めておるんですけれども、具体的にはロボット、そして IoT デバイス、こういったところへの、その製造技術そのものに活用していきたいというふうに考えております。したがいまして、より多くの材料、一つでも多くの材料を開発して、それを実際に 3D プリントしたときにちゃんと機能するかどうかというところを今チェックしている段階ですので、いよいよそのロボットの一部のパーツ、IoT デバイスの一部のパーツをどんどん作っていくようなステージに今はあります。で、この研究をどんどん推し進めていくことが今後の我々の研究の流れになっております。
Good afternoon again. My name is Sethu Ogata. I'm a professor from Nanyang Technological University, that is one of the national university in Singapore. Today my topic is, I'll talk about the cyber insect, the remote radio control and navigation of living insect. Live insect, like for example, this case, live cockroach, and we mount microcomputer and sensor integrated boards. Okay, then we wire it up from the computer output the neural and muscular side of the living insect. Why we need to do that? Because we like to control the locomotion of this insect.
この10年、梅津信二郎先生の研究室を中心にですね、早稲田大学とですね、本当に実のあるコラボレーション、共同研究だったと思います。共同研究というですね、ミーティングだけだったりとかですね、例えばミーティングしたりとか学会でお会いしてもその後なかなか続かないということがまあまああるんですね。ただこの SGU のですねプログラムのおかげでですね、本当にですね密に梅津先生のご自身、梅津先生自身とですね梅津先生の学生さん、スタッフさんとですね、本当に 毎週のようにミーティングしてましたし、で僕自身が梅津県にお世話になって、で実験一緒にやり、論文一緒に書き、でさらに梅津県の学生さんが NTU うちの研究室に来てですね、うちの学生スタッフとですね、もう本当に同じ場所で実験をしてディスカッションをして、で非常になんかそうですね、実のある共同研究でした。おかげさまでもう論文もそうですね、もう7本8本できていて、で学会活動も梅先生でもうずっとやってまして、もう5、6年前からずっとやってますけど、毎年のようにワークショップを開いて、で特にこのサイボーグ昆虫っていうのを我々やってるんですけども、だから今日の講演でもありましたけど、その倫理的な問題とかありまして、やっぱり周知してもいろんな人に知ってもらわなきゃいけないので、ワークショップを開くというのは非常に大切で、梅先生はもうそこら辺もですね、非常にモチベーション高くですね、僕も梅先生と一緒ならですね、非常に楽しくですね、充実した10年よりちょっと短いですけども、それでも本当に密な時間でしたね。
First, I would like to express sincere thanks to the distinguished guests and all the participants and volunteers, students. Thank you very much for coming to this symposium. SGU, Super Global University Program, started in 2014, about 10 years ago. And we are making a great networking in the world. So then today, we can invite very good professors and researchers in this symposium. It is very honor for me, and I'm very happy to meet you face to face here. And this program officially closed the Ministry of Education this year, but we decided to continue this program and make more wide networking about ICT and robotics. So I hope seeing you again next year and have a good party. Okay, thank you very much again, all the participants today. Thank you.